So let's continue the solving question number 2. The maximum force that a grocery bag can withstand without ripping is 250 Newton. Suppose that the bag is filled with 20 kilograms of groceries and lifted with an acceleration of 5 meters per second squared. Do the grocery stays in the bag. Make a quantitative force diagram. Write a net force equation for the axis along the forces are not balanced. Okay, right now, let's shrink the grocery bag to a dot. You know that there will be a force of gravity will act on the grocery bag, mg, and mass of the grocery bag is 20 kilogram, and force of gravity is 10. Meters per second squared, and it's gonna be 200 Newton. So there will be lift force will apply. Okay, actually, you know that grocery bags is like a string, right? Like there will be a tension in that. Like when you apply force, there will be tension. I'm going to put lift here, but we don't know the value of it. And we know that acceleration is upward, is given, and acceleration is 5 meters over second squared. So right now, let's apply the Newton second law, and let's find the force of lift. And if the force of lift is bigger than 250, then we can say that the grocery bag will be ripped. And if it is not bigger than that, then the grocery bag safely will carry the whatever inside in it. Okay. So right now, let me write the general equation. Net force equals mass times acceleration. So force of lift plus force of gravity equals mass times acceleration. Right now, let's put everything we know here. Force of lift plus, since it is downward, I'm going to put here negative 200. Mass is 20 kilogram. And acceleration is, since it is upward, is 5 meters over second square. So force of lift minus 200 Newton will equals 100 Newton. So I would like to repeat here. I think it's better for me to emphasize that. Here we put negative 200, right? Negative 200 because it is downward. So direction matters. So I would like to show my work here, okay? So I am adding positive 200 Newton to both sides. Okay, when I add it, so this 200 positive and negative, they will cancel each other. So force of lift will equal 100 plus 200 will be 300. So right now we can say that do the groceries stay in the bag? Groceries will not stay in the bag because it is bigger than 250, which means this is the maximum force the grocery bag can stand.